In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make an order form on Google Forms. This process will allow you to efficiently manage orders, whether for a small business, a virtual event, or any other occasion where collecting orders is essential. So, grab a cup of coffee and let's dive into creating your form step by step. To start, head over to forms.google.com. Here, you'll want to create a new blank form. This is your canvas where you'll have full creative control to tailor it exactly to your needs. Once you have your blank form open, it's time to add a title and a brief description. For this example, you might title it Order Form and include a short description to welcome your users and explain the purpose of the form. Next, let's focus on the fields you'll need to include. Begin with a name field. Choose a short answer format so that respondents can easily type in their full name. Following that, add an email field. Again, opt for a short answer type to ensure you gather their contact details efficiently. Moving on, let's incorporate the product selection. You can choose either a multiple choice format or a drop-down menu for this section, depending on how many product options you intend to offer. The goal here is to make it as straightforward as possible for your customers to select the items they want to order. After they've chosen their product, you'll need to ask for the quantity. This can either be a short answer or a drop-down menu where you predefine numbers or give them a free entry text box to specify how many of each item they want. Shipping details are crucial to ensure the correct delivery of your products. Add a paragraph field type so respondents can provide complete shipping addresses without any restrictions on the text length. This method allows for more detailed entries, ensuring the address you receive is comprehensive enough for delivery. Remember to make essential fields required by toggling the required option for important questions like name, email, product choice, and address. This step minimizes the risk of incomplete forms, ensuring you receive all necessary information. If you need to add extra questions or sections, simply click the plus button on the toolbar. This feature comes in handy if you want to gather additional details like customer preferences or feedback. In the Settings menu, located at the top right, navigate to Responses. Here you have the option to collect email addresses automatically. While optional, it's an effective way to ensure you have a way to contact respondents if needed. Once you're satisfied with your form setup, click the Send button. You can then choose to send the form directly via email or share a link with your audience for broader accessibility. Finally, to view and manage the responses you collect, head to the Responses tab. You can also link your responses to Google Sheets for more detailed analysis and record keeping. And there you have it. You now know how to set up an efficient order form on Google Forms. It's a simple yet powerful tool that can help streamline your order taking process and keep everything organized in one place. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.